Hey guys, welcome back. I got the first challenge lock that I'm going to be trying out of the package sent to me today from Dirk over in Germany. This one here I believe was pinned up by UCOF. This one says UCOF 21B on it. Now, this one did come with a key. Here's what the bitting looks like. So, a few highs followed by a few lows. So, it is a 5-pin. Key does work, but it's a little crunchy, so I'm assuming that like all the UCOF locks that I have picked so far, there's going to be some real wicked stuff in here. So it is locked up. Let's get this thing in a vise and see if we can get it open. We're going to see if we can get a top of the keyway in here. Yeah, now I have not picked this lock yet. This is the first time I've attempted it, so I have to see how this one is. So I'm just going to use a Peterson, just a standard hook to get into this thing. So let's go through and see if we can find a binder. I'm just using real light tension because I know some of the pins I've worked on from UCOF's locks before can be pretty wild, so doesn't take much to bind up the lock. So we'll just get to the back of the keyway. So 5 is springy. Got nothing on 4. Nothing on 3. Alright, I just got a real loud click out of 3. We're going to try something with a little bit higher of a reach on it here. Try one of my new southward picks up in here. I just don't think I'm reaching high enough. There we go, a bit of a click out of 4. Okay, we got a false set. I think that was 3 I just hit. Yeah, this tension wrench I got in here is giving me a hard time reaching in on 1, so to just keep reaching around with a taller one to get to him. Okay, so now we got a wicked false set going here now. I think that was 4. Oh, there we go. So we got an open. Yeah, it was really hard to feel the feedback on that one. Seemed like every time I went through the order, it would keep changing on me here. Alright, so get our pinning tray out and get this thing taken apart and see what we got in here. get this clip off without locking it back up. Okay, let's try, well, let's get this stuff out of the way. Well, it's kind of a odd looking actuator on there. Let's see what what follower I should use to get through this one. Let's try that one. Maybe get it up into the right spot first. There, that should work there as long as it doesn't turn on me. And this is going to be the wrong size follower. Let's try and find another one here. There we go. Oh. Do this without losing all of them. There we go. I think I might have dropped one. I did. Darn it. Okay, we're gonna empty out the Bible first, just because it's starting to fall apart on me here already. So I believe that was the spring out of 2. Okay, so I believe in number 1 we have a spool with like a oh, I'm right out of the frame here, sorry. Spool with a T on the end of it. Number 2, looks like we got a serrated. Get the spring out of there. I bent that spring up a bit trying to get the follower through. Number 3, we have a nice looking spool with a serrated on the end. Number 4, we have another one of these, looks like a spool with a T point on the end of it. I'll lift them up so you guys can see them once I get it all gutted here. Whoops. Hang on one second, guys. That one bounced right off the bench. Where did you go? Ah, come on. Where did it go? Stay tuned, gentlemen. I'll be right back. Tell you what, guys, I'm just going to pause it until I find that pin. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I found that pin. Rolled in underneath the bench, and I didn't want you guys to miss out on how wild this pin actually looks. So just get the rest of the Bible taken out here. Just get the springs out of it. So it looks like all the springs seem to be the same, all copper-looking springs. So we'll just take a look down into the Bible and see if we have any serrated chambers or anything in there, which I don't think we do. Get the light down in there better. No, the Bible seems to be all stock. Alright, so let's get into the plug here and see what he's got here. So for pin 1, looks like a serrated with another one of those points on the end. Pin 2 looks to be a serrated. Pin 3, we'll call that a little spool on the end of it, I guess. Pin 4 looks like we got a couple serrations on it, and same with 5. So let me just get these all in order. God, I got butterfingers today, guys. I can't hold anything here. Alright. Get them all lined up. I'll give you a close-up here. I think this is lock number 3 of UCOF's I've ended up picking now, and he just does amazing work. So let's get this in focus so you guys can see and appreciate these pins here. They're just does amazing work. So I'm actually surprised I got into it as quick as I did, looking at these pins. So Anyway, Dirk, thanks for the lock, my friend. This is number one of three that number one of three of yours I've gotten into. So hopefully the other ones will put up a little bit of a fight. Anyway, guys, thanks again for watching, and sorry about botching the gutting job so badly. I guess I'm a little more tired than I thought. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and keep her legal.